Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to reduce voiceover loudness in Camtasia. So let's go to Camtasia first. Then you have to find on left hand side the voice over, this kind of thing. If you don't find this, click on more and you'll find here voice narration. Sorry, not over, voice narration. Click on voice narration, and if you click on start recording, you can see that uh, the volume is too high. If you want to change the volume, you have to loudness. If you want to change the volume loudness, then you have to click on this auto leveling. Click on auto leveling and then your voice will be uh, auto level and it will not so loud. Okay, so this is so simple guys. You can increase decrease with the mouse also, but if you click on this auto leveling, it will, your voice will not loud, so it will auto leveling by the default system. So guys, this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.